Welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Thursday the 19th of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tantech Markets. Moving on to cable now. And this, wrong chart, sorry. Anyway, the cable chart is, well, that's a massive bullish key one day reversal on cable. There's no getting away from it, but do you trust it? That is the big question. Do you trust that big key one day reversal? Now, I am a little bit skeptical. The reason why is because you generally want a bull key one day reversal to be backed up by a second positive candle, and at the moment it's very unlikely that we're going to get one. It would need a move back above probably 105 figure to see that happen, and obviously cable is off over 100 ticks now. So is that going to happen? Probably not. Also, we're back below this old pivot support at 149.50, and I just generally see that the outlook on cable is weak still. Selling into strength remains the option, I think, on cable underneath all the moving averages, which are all falling in bearish configuration. Momentum indicators just slightly unwinding, really. Nothing too positive to look at. I mean, yes, you could argue the stochastics are beginning to rise, but I don't. Again, I think that already, I think I can see that rolling over. MACD lines, nothing really there. Cable, sorry, on the RSI, 43 hit on the RSI before just turning lower again. So I just don't see this as being anything more than a bear market rally that is an ideal selling opportunity. I might be wrong, but I see that. I think that this bullish key one day reversal is unlikely to be confirmed by a rally or any further gains to the upside. Now, on the hourly chart, you can see obviously that huge intraday rally. I mean, we actually had 500 ticks of upside, 46.33 up to 51.47. So almost 500 ticks there. So just or over 500 ticks. Sorry. Incredible volatility on cable yesterday, and it's basically just unwound a lot of that move that we saw yesterday. You've hit a low, which you've actually got a bullish hammer candle there in the last hour or so. So theoretically, I suppose maybe you're on a very ultra near-term outlook. You're sort of looking a little bit more positive, and actually you've sort of confirmed that move by the positive subsequent candle as well. But, and I say big but because I think 149 was this old pivot level, which has again sort of acted as a bit of a pivot level during the European trading. So I'd watch out for that as the as a near-term resistance. 149.10 if you're going to get absolute accurate, and then you'd argue that the overnight high at 150.10 as well. Sort of comes in around that 150.20 sort of 20 area, 25, 23. So I mean, just basically, what I'm trying to say is all these old resistance levels and old support levels, I think, are still in play because you've had such a volatile move that the market's not really had a proper chance to sort of break down these levels, and I think they're still going to be active. And I think 49 figure is the initial one that you need to be looking out for. So you've got this move currently at 48.78, so 20 ticks away from there. So just be careful on chasing a long position on this move. But generally, I think volatility remains high, so that could well just mean render support resistance is just completely null and void, really. But I still think that they have a part to play, these old support resistances, certainly that 49 figure one. But until the volatility starts to settle down, I think that cable could remain quite choppy. But generally speaking, I'm seeing this as a chance to sell and nothing really more than that. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I'll speak to you later.